welcome back. I'm Kathy, and if you're new to my channel, I do food and product reviews, and today I have my FoldAway rechargeable fan. It's a 2-in-1. It is a floor fan and a table fan. So I want to thank Karen for suggesting that I review this. I had not heard of it before until she mentioned it. And I have been using this, and spoiler alert, I love it. But there is a con, and I will tell you that later. All right, so in the box, it's upside down. Ah! All right. Here it is. See it? It is a 3-speed fan. It claims to have a 10-hour rechargeable battery. It is portable, easy for travel. That's what I like about this. It measures 7.5 inches, and it is 4 inches high. And it claims to weigh under 2 pounds. It feels heavier than 2 pounds, so let's see. It is 2 pounds 4 ounces. I don't know if you can see that. All right, so still lightweight and compact. It would be easy to travel with, put in a suitcase. All right, so here's the cool part about the fan. This up. Folds up. So here is your table fan, and you can then extend it. It grows. But when you do this, you see it kind of leans forward. Make sure this is a lock. So you push that down so then it won't move. All right. So I want to measure it. The base to the top is 40 inches. So this is a rechargeable fan. It comes with a USB cable. It does not come with an adapter though, so if you want to plug it into a wall, you'll need an adapter, which if you have a phone, you probably have an adapter. All right, so here's where you plug it in. It's hard to do one-handed. Okay, plugged in. I am just gonna use this portable charger. Hard to do one-handed. Alright, so now you can see it's charging. It was already charged a little bit, so as you can see, there's 1, 2, 1, 2, and 3. So this is low, medium, high, and the low and medium are solid, and the high is flashing, which means it's charged between 40 and 69%. All right, as you can see on the chart, when they're all three lit up, that's 100% to 70% charged. Low to medium is 69 to 40% charged. When it's low, it's 39 to 10% charged. And when the low light starts flashing, it's less than 10% charged. And what is good about it is that you can run the fan while it's charging. So you just press for 3 seconds to get it to come on. And that is on low. You go to medium, and then high. So obviously it gets louder the higher it goes. Okay, that's one thing I really liked about this, is that it could run while it's charging. My biggest concern with this was how long it would stay charged. It claims to be 10 hours that would run on a recharge battery. Turn this off. And to turn this off, just press and hold for 3 seconds too. So yeah, so I tested out the battery to see how long it would last. So to charge it fully, not when it's not running, it took 4 hours and 15 minutes. So then I ran it on high, and it lasted 2 hours and 50 minutes. On medium, I recharged it. On medium, it lasted 6 hours, and then of course I recharged it again, and then the fan, when it was on low, it did run for 9 hours and 15 minutes. So not quite 10, but pretty close. I was impressed with that. They also sell double battery power. I guess it's a deluxe model of this for an extra $20. What I was really excited about this fan for is when I travel. So if I go to visit family or whatever, usually I would take a fan a little bigger than this. But it would just be like a table fan. So you would have to find a place to put it. Sometimes I would have to set it on a chair or put it on the chest that was in the room. It was too high, the chair was too low. So this solves that problem, and that makes me extremely happy. And I have used this also when I get ready after I get out of the shower in the summer when it's hot. It's nice to have a fan. So I can just move this from the bedroom to the bathroom very easily. I don't have to worry about it sitting on the counter, taking up space. So I think that's awesome. So you know, fans after a while get dirty, so they have made this easy for you to clean. Oops, gotta put it all the way down. And it closes. So if you need to clean it, you see here, to remove it, press down with both thumbs and twist counterclockwise. So I'm not gonna lie, this took me a minute to get. So I was thinking this part came off, but it's not, it's just this part. So you push it down and turn it, and it just lifts right up. And then you can clean your fan. Of course, don't put it in water. Well, this part you could, but this part just rinse off, just wipe off the blades. And then see where it lines up. All right, so you just try to line them back up and turn it clockwise. And there you go. That's all there is to it. All right, so here it is. See, it's just above. It's just above the bed. So I'm gonna put it here. See if I can feel it laying in bed. Okay, yeah, so it's tall enough where it's over the bed. So, and I can feel it. So it's nice that you can adjust this too. So put up higher, lower. So I don't know if you can see it. It's pretty good. It's blowing my hair. So yeah, I definitely get a better night's sleep when I have the noise of a fan and the air blowing. So this will definitely be going with me whenever I travel. Okay, as you just saw, that works great when you're in bed. Another thing that I use it for is when I'm working out. I work out at home, so if I'm doing exercises standing up, I can have this pointed at me, and then if I go down to the floor to do floor exercises, I can just move it down. So that's nice. I've been using it a lot for that. Like I said, it's great for sleeping, it's great for getting ready, and it's great for working out. Those were the three things that I've mostly used it for. Sure, you can take it outside, carry it around with you all day if you want. Stay cool. So my FoldAway might sound familiar to you. There was my FoldAway mirror that was out. I didn't review that, but my friend James at Freaking Reviews, he reviewed, well, I helped review it. I think it was about 3 years ago. I went out to Vegas and I met James, and I helped him with that review.
All right, so the My FoldAway mirror is a double-sided mirror with the LED lights on it. We're going to unbox it.
So if that name sounds familiar, you know, you may have seen that out at Walmart or whatever, because it was, I don't know if it's still being sold or not. I'm trying to remember that review. I think it was okay. It wasn't anything that great. But this, the fan itself, I gotta give 2 thumbs up. So the only thing I don't know is how long it's gonna last. This is all plastic, so I guess it's to be determined how long this will last. But overall, very happy with it. Like I said in the beginning, I had one con, and that is the price. I've only seen this at their website, myfoldawayfan.com. It's $39.98, which is okay, but the shipping was $7.95, so it ended up being $47.93. So that to me was a little pricey. I have not seen this in stores yet. I haven't seen it at the Walmart. I've seen on TV aisle or at Target. So hopefully it will come to stores, and then you won't have to pay the shipping cost. So that would be nice. So besides the shipping cost, I give it a 2 thumbs up. I think it works great. For my needs anyway, it works great. I think I haven't used it for traveling yet, but I plan on it, and I think it's gonna make a world of difference. I'm excited to travel to try it. Alright, so if you have used my FoldAway fan, let me know what you think in the comments below. Okay, so that brings me to the riddle of the day. The past few riddles that I've given have been kind of easy, I think. So this one was under the really hard riddles. So it might make you have to think a little bit harder. What is seen in the middle of March and April that cannot be seen at the beginning or end of the month? Could that be? Anyway, no cheating, no Google. Let me know in the comments below. If you like the video, hit that thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please think about hitting that red subscribe and the bell for notifications. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye.